Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe. Take a moment to slow down. Today, we are going to explore 10 passive income ideas for beginners. Not complicated, not unrealistic, but practical ways to start building income streams over time. Passive income does not mean no work. It means doing the work once and getting paid again and again. Let's begin. Idea 1. Dividend investing. This is one of the most traditional forms of passive income. You invest in companies that pay you regularly just for holding their stock. At first, the payments may seem small, but over time, as you reinvest, they grow. The E is consistency. Idea 2. High-yield savings and interest accounts. This is the simplest form. You place your money in accounts that pay interest. It will not make you rich quickly, but it is stable. And it requires almost no effort. Idea 3. Digital products. Create something once, sell it repeatedly. This could be ebooks, templates, guides. Upfront work is higher, but once created, it can generate income over time. Print on demand. You create designs. They get printed on products like shirts or mugs. You do not handle inventory. You simply earn a portion of each sale. Idea 5. Affiliate marketing. You recommend products and earn a commission when someone buys through your link. This works well with content, videos, websites. Trust and consistency matter here. Idea 6. Rental income. This could be real estate or even renting out a room. It requires initial setup, but once in place, it can generate steady income. Idea 7. Online courses. If you know something valuable, you can teach it. Record once, sell many times. People are always willing to learn. Idea 8. YouTube or content platforms. Create videos. Over time, they generate views and revenue. The key is patience. Content builds slowly, then compounds. Idea 9. Automated online stores. E-commerce can be partially automated with the right setup. Orders are fulfilled with minimal involvement, but it requires planning up front. Idea 10. licensing content, photos, music, designs. You create once and get paid whenever someone uses it. This is often overlooked, but very powerful. Now take a moment. Passive income is not about doing nothing. It is about building systems. Systems that work for you, even when you are not actively working. Let's reflect slowly. Invest for dividends. Earn interest. Create digital products. Use print on demand. Leverage affiliate marketing. Build rental income. Create courses. Build content. Automate stores. License your work. You do not need to do all of these. Start with one. Focus on it. Build it properly. Then expand. Over time, these streams can grow and create something powerful: freedom, flexibility, and control over your time. But it starts small. And it starts today. Take one step. Just tomorrow is how passive income is built, slowly, consistently, and intentionally. Gently return to the beginning. Take a moment to slow down. That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.